Hi. Bang. Hi. 저녁밥은 아직 안 먹었어요. 슬슬 먹어볼까 합니다. 찬아 뭐 먹을 건데? 뭐 먹지? 뭐 시켰지? 우리 뭐 시켰더라?
카레, 햄버거.
그리고 피쉬앤칩스. 네 여러분, 저는 리노랑 같이 리노야 좋지?
와.
리노야 많이 좋지?
No. What the fuck? For fuck's sake! Fucking come on! No! Don't fucking jump at me!
예.
리노 기분 좋으면 소리 질러.
와.
맞습니다. Chan, why didn't you come yesterday? Yeah, we did have a pretty busy schedule, and at night I could have come, but I'm actually in a state where how do I explain this? But anyway, yeah, I just couldn't come yesterday, and yeah, I actually had no thoughts on coming today either, but felt like, you know, I still had to, because, you know, we had like a little promise, right? So here I am. But yeah, you know, I said I haven't worked out in like, I haven't exercised or done anything for like a month. Yeah, that's probably another reason why. I have like this condition right now. I can't tell you what it is, but yeah. So yeah, I felt really not good yesterday. So getting better. All good. I'm getting better. 코로나 아니에요. 코로나 아니에요. It's not COVID. It's something else. But yeah, it's not corona. It's not COVID. It's episode 187. And yeah, let's have another great day today. Today I think I'm just gonna talk, and then I might not go for too long because I think I'm gonna have to rest because of my condition. And yeah, Chan has to sleep nowadays. Yeah, that's probably another reason why I'm in a state like this, because of my sinus problem. So if I sleep, there are a lot of times where I end up waking up like in the middle of sleep, because my nose gets blocked, right? So it's to the point where I just can't breathe, and I'm like, okay, if this keeps on going on, I'm probably gonna die. So I worry when I sleep. But yeah, sleep is important. Please sleep, or else you'll end up becoming like me. Don't become like me. 찬아, 리노는 잘 잤어? 리노는 너 잘 잤어?
아침에 운동 갔다 왔지롱.
오, 너 운동하지 마. 리노는 지금 어깨 완전 안 좋아가지고. 야,
3주 만에 했습니다.
3주 만에 했어? 너 무리하지 마, 어?
괜찮아, 허락 받았어.
그래, 허락 받았으면 뭐 할 말 없지. 어쨌든 찬아 배구 좋아해? 저 배구 좋아해요. 저 배구 완전 잘해요. 형 배구 잘하는 거 알아? 아 배구 잘해. 호주에서 배구 했었어. I was in the church volleyball team.
짱이다.
고마워 리나야. 리노야 드라이브 불러줘.
시동 걸어놓고 오늘 밤도 드라이브. 쉬지 않고 달려.
우리 리노 최근에 또 포켓몬고 시작해가지고. Chan, do you have asthma? Because that might be the thing that affects your sleep. I did have asthma actually. It got a lot better, but sometimes it comes back. But I don't think that's the problem. Asthma is not the problem. It's gone. It's not here. But it comes back when I do something like to the extreme. But yeah, I don't think asthma is the reason. It's something else. But yeah, you'll know next time. Chan, did you play League in another country? You can get suspended on Korean service for that. Yeah, I think that was the problem. Me playing TFT in Japan. I remember I got like a mail from Riot saying you got logged in a different country, and it says please ignore if it was you, right? So I was like, okay, it's me, so I ignored it. But then all of a sudden I come back and then it's suspended. I'm like, okay, so I think that was a problem. So I don't know if I can get it back, but I'll see if I can I'll see if I could try. Cause the set changed, and then I couldn't help myself, so I played the new set. But it was really fun. So I want to get my old account back and start climbing the ranks. That's what I want to do. Chimcha is a chimcha.
게임은 전략이라고. 당찬.
Oh yeah, so I think it's very good news. We are allowed to play any kind of music when we do our YouTube lives. So yeah, please look forward to that. It doesn't have to be just JYP. So I will be doing Chinese Room like we've always done before. So yeah, I'll see if I can organize the songs and then recommend it to you guys, and then play your recommendations, and yeah, I think it'll be really fun. Beautiful.
That's an awfully hot coffee pot.